Hello everyone. Today we will make this beautiful heart-shaped earring design. For making this I am using cotton thread, jump ring earring hook and 2 mm golden bead, fabric glue, starch, 2 number crochet hook, clip and scissor. Start with chain. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now skip first chain. In second chain we turn like this and pass through this loop, back loop, and make a single crochet. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect here by slip stitch. One chain. Now we will work here. One single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 single crochet in this side, and this is our center. So we will work over this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I made 11 single crochet this side and 11 single crochet this side. Now we'll connect here by slip stitch. Now I cut the thread. Here is our heart. Now I apply glue and fix this extra thread. Now I will apply starch back side of this heart. Now let it dry. Now we will make a little flower. Start with magic ring. chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 chain. Now skip 2 chain in third chain, 1 double crochet in next chain, 1 double crochet in next chain, half double crochet in last chain, slip stitch. Now slip stitch in ring, like this. This is our first petal. Now second petal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 chain, skip 2 chain in third chain, 1 double crochet next chain, 1 double crochet next chain, half double crochet in last chain, slip stitch. Now slip stitch in ring, like this. Now I will complete my round by making total 6 petals. I have completed my round. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will pull the magic rings thread and make it tight. Here is our flower. Now we'll cut extra thread. And I will apply starch. And let it dry. Now I will add jump ring. And earring hook. Now I will paste flower. And a little bead. Like this, our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.